Medyo malambot yung noodles nung niluto ko siya. Pero siguro lumambot siya kasi may mga errands kasi akong ginawa kanina while I was cooking it. And at the same time, I also added fresh milk dun sa pinangluto ko sa kanila. Pero let's see if the flavor is actually good after what I did. Weird pa rin yung noodles. I mean, you don't really get the satisfaction of ganun carbonara pag hindi talaga pasta yung ginamit mo. Medyo, yun nga, malambot na noodles na gawa ko. But, the combination of the flavors is really good. Masarap yung marcapato na queso na ginamit ko dito. Tapos, I'm mixing it now with some of the sisig. By the way, thank you actually to one of my village friends, Carmina, for sending over this combination of lechon kawali and then sisig. So yeah. And that's really good. Yeah, if you can get past the softness of the pasta, I think this will be a great dish kasi masarap yung combination nga nung tawag doon nung queso na marca piña or marcapato pala tsaka nung sisig. Ang crispy na sisig niya, ha. Kudos to Dadbod. Humitiyok. Nagbibinatan na po ako ngayon. Yeah, kudos to Dadbod. Yeah, for this delicious serving of sisig. Yeah, good. Kasi yung sisig kasi, medyo may konti siyang sour taste dahil sa calamansi, tsaka dun sa nilagay nila na sili. But it actually adds character dun sa mismong pinaka-dish ng carbonara, which is basic pasta with milk, with eggs, tapos with cheese. It's better and better and better. Actually, I want more of the sisig, ha. Gusto ko na lang yung sisig. So, ganito karami yung serving nung sa Dadbod. I never realized that sisig would actually go well pala with carbonara. Kasi, kumbaga, kapag pa naumay ka dun sa medyo milky taste ng carbonara mo, yung sour taste ng sisig, it's going to balance it. But make sure the sisig also is not too sour or hindi matindi yung liver flavor. Kasi yung iba kasi naglalagay ng liver dun sa sisig nila. Yeah, good replacement for bacon. Hindi preserved, pero still the same evil. Okay. Mas gusto ko yung sisig kasi dun sa lechong kawali. And we're going to add again yung queso. There's a good balance of flavors. So texture na lang talaga yung ma-master ko next time. Pero again guys, thank you very much for watching this short video. And if you would like to join me in some of my food adventures in Cainta or elsewhere, make sure to comment on the video and then like and subscribe also. Hopefully I can actually go with you in some of my trips. So till then guys, happy 2022 to everyone and stay safe.